It's our day one here in Siargao, and right now we're parang naglalakad kami sa beach kasi we're checking yung places na where we will shoot tomorrow with Lurge and Alton. So, and it's good to be back here. Nandito na ako last 2 years ago and for work din, so this time mas relax yung gagawin namin. We're walking now sa Cloud9. Ano masabi mo na first time mo dito?
Sarap guys, literally cloud fucking nine.
Yeah, sumakto kami na wala masyadong tao. So, ang scenic. Ay, scenic. No route. Route. Arte mo dyan. Ang ganda. Let's go. Ganun pa din. Ang ganda pa rin ng Cloud9 areas. And last time I was here, madaling araw ako pumunta. So, ngayon naman sunset. And mas maganda siya for me ngayong sunset. Ang ganda ng tama ng araw. And then yung mga tao na surf around. And the view is really, really something. So, kala ko nung una na I would prefer Siquijor to Siargao. Pero I don't think na tama sila i-compare kasi sobrang different yung magic nila and yung beauty nila. And I'm really enjoying this view right now. So, abot kayo Prada.
Inabot na yung Prada.
We're here sa Ocean 9 kasi anong ginagawa natin ngayon?
Ocular.
For the
Go-killer
shoot
kami.
tomorrow. And first time ko mapuntahan tong part ng Siargao na to, and it's
Ano lang siya. If
breathtaking.
you know.
Yeah, mga ano lang, kami mga locals lang nandito.
Yeah. Ginigate-keep.
Ayan, it's really quiet lang here. Wala masyadong tao.
Sabi niya na, hindi nandun si
Footprints in the sand. Hey! Nice one. Sarap talaga ng water sa paa kapag naglalakad sa beach. It's our day 2 here and today yung shoot day namin. Pero maaga ako nagising to have breakfast muna and do some works. Like mag-edit pa ako ng videos for Calypso. So yan. Finally, umaraw na kasi kanina like umulan lang ng malakas. Pero saglit lang naman. Today nga yung shoot namin. So buti umaraw na. Now, I'll just have to go to the resto kasi nagpabook kami ng lunch with our KLs para dun sa shoot. So, Papa just playing reservation. So, right now we're doing the shoot na with Lurge and Alton sa beach and some product shoot as well.
Uy, mamaya ka na, Ken! Dito daw yung ilaw! Dito heavy.
Si Ken naman,
I-clip mo dyan. I-clip mo talaga siya. Yes,
I'm back na sa hotel. Well, sa aming Airbnb. Done na kami sa shoot namin today. And yan, tapos na. So tomorrow will be technically a free day. Pero we will shoot some contents for our brand. So now, siguro I'll rest. It's already 8:30. Hindi ko alam if I'll have the energy to go out pa. Pero we'll see. I'll rest for a bit lang. Okay, we'll see. Good morning! It's our day 3 here in Siargao and today we'll just do some product shots. So, yung pipicture lang namin all throughout the day and guide contents are for our products. So, yun. So medyo parang free day siya-ish. So, I'm here. So, yun. So, we'll just tour around our Airbnb siguro. Check for places and take some photos. And enjoy na din, syempre. Let's go! Now, naglalakad-lakad ako kasi naghahanap ako ng ATM to withdraw cash. Since wala akong cash, hindi ako makapag-tricycle pabalik. Medyo malayo na rin yung lalakad natin. So, hopefully may mahanap na tayo. So, while walking, may nakita akong path na along the road. Tapos papunta siya dito sa parang beach ata. So, tara, puntahan natin. Check natin kung anong meron dito. Hi guys! So, nakauwi na ako dito sa aming Airbnb. Today, mag-shoot lang kami ng videos. And si Sin, nag-video na siya. Masipag! Ako ay tamad. So, nag-breakfast naman ako. Maniwala na lang kayo. Nag-serve ulit sila ng bread na may egg and avocado and mango. Tapos binilan kami ni Nico ng drinks. Dahil hindi ako nag-coffee, ang binili sa akin ay mango shake at binigyan kami ng bracelet. So today, ayan, bracelet niya, silver-ch. Akin brown-ch, kasi brown-ch ang katawan ko. So today, mag-shoot lang kami ng contents for our brands. And baka magpatato ako mamayang hapon. Again, malalaman natin. Bye! Lunchtime, we will go to this Korean carinderia. And ang name is Carinderia. To eat our lunch there. So, tara, let's go! Hindi na.
Ano meron sa kayo, madam, sa mga?
Ito yung order ko. Kimchi fried rice, gajang chicken, and bulgogi beef. Yeah, go.
정말 맛있어요.
정말 맛있어요. 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
Ay, gogi.
My dog po. Hi, dog. And that's the owner. Hello! So, I saw this tattoo shop here. Meron silang mystery ink for 500. So, magpapatattoo ulit ako today. So, sabi, bunot daw tayo ng tatlo. Buo tayo ng isang malaki. Let's this one. Bunot daw ng tatlo, tapos para may choices ako sa design. Or lahat sila ipatattoo natin, no? So, ito yung tatlo. Ito yung una. Paano ko lahat ito pinatattoo ko? Fire to, no? This is a fire.
Yan?
So, a fire is a no?
Off to a great start.
Ito saan? Very sure daw. I think itong last yung
Very one piece yun.
Oh, arcade. Ay, parang burger shop. Suitcase.
Pag halo-halo mas ng tatlo.
So, I think let's go with the sun, no? Ito ang safe bet natin.
Ano naman? Ito yung pingin.
Siya pa din. Ito. We'll have another sun. Ito rin yung sun na nakuha ata nung last. Sure daw. Pero different one. Saan siya bagay? Comment down below. bumaba na yung boses sa akin.
Pwede rin, may...
Kain na tayo. Di ba pwede mabasa? Pupuno ka din.
Totoo.
I'll try this. Ooh. Hokkaido melting. Yes! Let's try this. Let's go. Finally, we're going to go to the beach and swim. Sobrang low tide now, kaya medyo malayo yung shore. Hindi ko alam kung starfish or what, pero gumagalaw siya, oh.
Oh yeah!
Oh my god, it's maalon na here. Ang lalim. Ang lalim. Chat yan. Let's go. Our last night here, and we'll have dinner here sa mesa grill. Let's go.
Hi everyone!
We'll have dinner with the team. Let's go. Sabi ko build your own.
Happy birthday,
So we're home na sa Airbnb, and it's our last night here. Tomorrow is our flight back to Manila. And well, I enjoyed yung stay namin here kahit saglit lang, and then kahit more on work. Pero na-enjoy ko talaga siya. I think I'll be back in Siargao ulit soon. Hopefully. And sana bakasyon lang talaga siya. So yun. Take care. See you tomorrow. I'll try to catch the sunrise tomorrow. Ilang beses ko siya tinry, pero nagigising naman ako na maaga, hindi na ako lumalabas ng ganun kaaga. Pero tomorrow is my last day here, so might as well catch the sunrise. Let's go. Good morning! It's our last day here in Siargao, and now punta ako ng Cloud9 to just have a last moment there and hopefully catch the sunrise pa. I'm gonna miss this place. Ang ganda ng sunrise, and it's my last sunrise here in Siargao. Definitely babalikan ko siguro. No work naman, last vacation. Dito na tayo ngayon sa Cloud9, and I'm just at pause. So, ang ganda. Pa rin para talaga yung beach ng Siargao. I've been comparing it to Siquijor, pero yeah. And I'm really happy na I went out this morning. Kasi for the past year, for the past 6 months, I've been very down in a way since I lost a job na tagal ko ng hawak. I lost some friends there because of something stupid that I did. And now, I'm just happy kasi I just got promoted. I'm a junior marketing manager now. And I'm trying the work that I'm doing. So, siguro ang fitting lang to watch the sunrise. Kasi parang, I have this saying na the sun always rises. So, sa dark place ka kayo or what, eventually the sun will rise. And have a new day, have a new sunrise, have a new chance, I guess. Seize the day. Na-inspire ako sa sunrise. We were able to catch the sunrise nga doon sa Cloud9. So now, I think I'll swim for a bit. Kasi may hinintay ko pa mag-open yung Shaka. And I'll eat my breakfast there. So, tara, swimming muna tayo. Sarap na araw sa mukha. And then tulog ng waves. Buti na singit ko to bago kami flight later. So I have to be back sa Airbnb by 7 kasi alis kami ng 9. So well, naka-impake naman ako kagabi. So good thing. I'm done swimming. Now let's have breakfast sa Shaka. Kasi open na siya. So, I've been craving that since dumating kami dito. So, sabi ko, I'll eat that on the last day para after ko ng last swim din. So, let's go! I'm heading back na sa BNB to prepare na to go home. I'll miss Siargao, but well, we have to go back to Manila. Isang cute pa dito sa BNB. They have this guest book where everyone can write a letter sa mga nag-stay. So, sulatin tayo ng message natin. So let's write something. I had so much fun. Yun, nakapag-pack na ako ng bags and all, and I'm ready to go na. So, yeah. Our flight will be around 11:30, so we have to go out of the BNB around 9:30 I guess. And yun, back to Manila and back to work. And I'm really happy na sa 4 days stay ko here sa Siargao kahit most of it is work. I had today, like the morning, na-enjoy ko siya, swam, and then the sunrise, and then the food that we ate here, the company I'm with, it's really fun. So, yeah. I'm gonna miss Siargao. I think I'll be back. I'll definitely will be back. Artie! Bye, we're going na. Bye, thank you.